Ever sent money like magic? Unveiling the mystery of Zelle. Hey everyone, have you ever needed to send money to a friend or family member in a flash? Maybe it's to split a restaurant bill, pay back a loan, or send a quick birthday gift. Traditionally, we might have exchanged cash, relied on a check, or maybe even ventured into the wild world of wire transfers. But these days, there's a new sheriff in town, a digital sheriff some might call it, and its name is Zelle. Now, Zelle has been around for a few years now, but it's still one of those things that can leave people scratching their heads. You might have heard the name, seen it as an option on your banking app, but what exactly is it? How does it work? Most importantly, where in the world do you find your Zelle ID number? Fear not, friends. That's exactly what we're here to unpack today. So, buckle up, get ready to banish your Zelle bewilderment, and let's dive into the world of frictionless money transfers. What is Zelle? Imagine this, you're out with your friends, enjoying a delicious meal, and the bill arrives. You reach for your wallet, only to discover you're embarrassingly short on cash. Luckily, your friend Sarah beside you is a total rock star and offers to cover you. But how do you pay her back? Here's where Zelle comes in. Zelle is a digital payment network that allows you to send and receive money directly between bank accounts in the U.S. It's kind of like sending a text message, but instead of words, you're sending money instantly, securely, and all within your trusted banking app. Here's the beauty of Zelle. Speed, gone are the days of waiting for checks to clear or wrestling with wire transfer fees. With Zelle, the money arrives in your recipient's account almost instantly, usually within minutes. Convenience, forget scrambling for cash or fumbling with debit cards. Zelle works seamlessly within your existing banking app, eliminating the need for additional downloads or accounts. Security, banks prioritize security with Zelle, using multi-factor authentication and other measures to keep your transactions safe. Alright, so Zelle sounds fantastic, but how do I use it? Using Zelle is actually quite straightforward. Here's a quick rundown. Log into your mobile banking app. Most major banks in the U.S. offer Zelle integrated directly into their apps. Locate the Zelle option. It might be under Payments or Money Transfer. Don't worry, your bank's app will guide you through the process. Choose to send or receive money. This will depend on whether you're paying someone back or receiving a payment. Enter your recipient's information. Here's the key part. You'll either need to enter their phone number or email address linked to their Zelle account. Input the amount you want to send and add a brief message, optional. Maybe a quick thanks for lunch or happy birthday to personalize it. Confirm and send. Double check everything looks good, and with a tap, your money is on its way. Now, the million-dollar question, where's my Zelle ID number? Alright, I know what you're thinking. We talked about needing your recipient's information, but what about yours? The good news is, you actually don't have a Zelle ID number in the traditional sense. Instead, Zelle uses your phone number or email address registered with your bank account. So, when someone sends you money using Zelle, they'll enter your phone number or email address linked to your account, and voila! The money gets deposited directly into your bank account. Important caveats to remember. While Zelle is fantastic for quick and easy transfers between friends and family, there are a few things to keep in mind. Only send money to people you trust. Zelle transactions are generally considered final, so be cautious about sending money to anyone you don't know well. Double-check recipient information before sending. A typo in a phone number or email address could mean your money ends up in the wrong account. Be mindful of sending limits.